E momo wānanga e are ake nei ki te marae o Parikino ki te awa tupua, ko Tu Manawa te ingo tēnei wānanga no ngā tamariki no te awa. Kei te ako rātou ngā pūrākau me ngā mātauranga e pāna ki tō rātou wanganuitanga. E āngai ana te pū o tēnei kaupapa wānanga ki te auara tinana, ki te auara wairua o ngā uri kia tūpakari ai te manawa ora are ake nei.
This is a year-long program. We've already run 3 school holiday programs, so we are focusing on the age groups of 5 to 10-year-olds and 11 to 18-year-olds. And so the program is, in a nutshell, it's basically about getting our rangatahi and our tamariki active. And we're sort of trying to take a holistic approach. So we're focusing on mental, physical and spiritual well-being as well.
E oi, ko tamaupoko community-led development te rōpū e wakaari ana I tēnei kaupapa.
In a nutshell, it's about community development, community empowerment, helping our people that live in these communities up the awa here to become self-reliant, build self-reliance and become, more empowered in their own space. And so that it's a broad spectrum. We don't just focus on the family per se, we focus on infrastructure, we focus on all of those things that help to strengthen the family in their own spaces.
Ei tāna, mā ngā kai kōrero pērā I a Lou Walker Tyson mā, ka waka au makotia tēnei kaupapa.
That was a really good opportunity for them to hear about their stories as well, because, they do hear it at kura and all that sort of thing, but it's just reinforcing that. Because those stories are so important. We want them, like Sash said, like Lou said, we want them to pass on to their moko and their children. So that's what it's all about. And I think, they took a lot from that because it's about, showing them different opportunities and different experiences out of the awa. It's good to go out there and experience things and then you can always come back home.
We get those kai kōrero in to share their experiences and their knowledge with the kids. And the reason why we do that is that we want it to be authentic. We want the knowledge that's shared to be authentic, to have those speakers sharing knowledge that they've already done, and the kids can see the successes of those people, where they're at. So, for example, Sash, they can see Sash on, Te Uru. They can also see Lou out there in her mahi. So, it's quite important.
Pretty inspiring. I learned some new things about my own wakapapa and things I found in myself that I could be maybe in the future and stuff. Helped me have a clear mindset on what I want to do in my future.
Engari, ko te āngaitanga nui, ko tō rātou wanganuitanga.
They learn about their history, who they are, and they also learn about other opportunities outside of home.
That they become strong rangatira, that they maintain the ways of our tupuna, that they maintain the kōrero so that our future generation can embrace or endure in the richness of our ways. It goes back to mai te kāhui maunga ki Tangaroa. Ko au te awa ko te awa ko au. O ko tātou te awa ko te awa ko tātou.
I te mutungai o, ia a ngā wakaro a te unga rangatai.
Social interaction, most probably. Getting back into my connections after, every day going into town to high school and stuff.
I like this program because it keeps us active and it's like giving us a chance to do something that we haven't really done before, including tomorrow. Due to the COVID, we can't do a whole week, but 2 days is good, and tomorrow we're going to have really good fun going to Palmerston North and doing Te Tona and Cloud9 and all that type of stuff.
Learning about the tamoko and all that. And I think it's good because you're still socialising with the other kids. Especially if you're much more older and then you go to town and all that.
Don't be shy like me.
E rangata I rātou mō Inaenei rangi, e rangatira rātou mō te aupōpō. Iriwiri rerekura, te reo o Te Uru. Ko te reo